In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the process of disabling retweets from a specific profile on Twitter using your PC. Let's get started. First, open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the profile from which you wish to disable retweets. Once you've found the profile, look for the settings icon located in the top right corner of the profile page. Click or tap on it to access the profile settings. In the Settings menu, locate the option to manage retweets. Select Turn off retweets to stop seeing retweets from that particular profile on your timeline. By following these simple steps, you can customize your Twitter feed to show only the content you want to see, enhancing your overall Twitter experience. Take control of your Twitter feed by managing retweets from specific profiles, ensuring that your timeline reflects the content that matters most to you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on optimizing your social media usage.